Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Zina Naseem. Today, I'm again with you with the subject General Knowledge, and today's topic is storybooks. But before starting our topic, please subscribe our school channel, St. Xavier School Hardoi. Press the bell icon, do like it, and share also among your friends. Thank you. Dear students, I'm going to show you some beautiful pictures like Snow White, Cinderella, Rapunzel. Which story you want to listen? Tell me first one thing. Do you like the stories? Very good. Oh, you all want to listen a story of Snow White. Good. This is wonderful and interesting story. Enjoy this story, everyone. Okay. Firstly, I want to show you some beautiful pictures. Okay. After that, I will tell you this story. Okay, students. See. Everyone, look at these pictures. She is Snow White. She is eating the apple. She is dancing with the 7 dwarfs. Okay. Recognize this? Cinderella. Obviously, she is also very beautiful. See, Hannah very beautiful. Students, good. Who is she? Exactly, Rapunzel. She is also very beautiful. Yeah, she is also Rapunzel, and with her prince. Good. Now I'm going to tell you the story Snow White. My dear students, Aiza, Satyam, all of you enjoying? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a big and beautiful kingdom in which lived a king and a queen. Queen, do you know? Good, Rani, exactly. They had a gorgeous daughter with black hair and fairy skin like snow. See, look everyone. She has a skin like a snow, very fair skin. And her name was Snow White. Okay? With the years, the princess grew up becoming more and more beautiful and kind. But unfortunately, her mother died. After a while, the king had married to the new queen, who turned out to be an evil witch. One day, the witch asked her magic mirror a question. Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the most beautiful woman in this world? And the mirror replied, Dear queen, Snow White it is. Then what happened with the queen? Students, listen. The witch queen got very angry on hearing this. She ordered a soldier to take her away from the kingdom and kill her. Oh my God. All of you enjoying? Good. Then what happened? Listen. The soldier took a princess to the forest but couldn't kill her because of she was a very nice girl. Soldier said, Go away, Snow White, go away. I will spare your life. But don't ever come back because the queen with wants to kill you. Go away now. Everyone imagine just imagine it, okay? She ran and ran with all her strength through the middle of the forest. Now she was very tired. Far away thus she saw a tiny house and decided to get inside. Soon after, 7 dwarfs came into their house. When they saw Snow White, they got surprised. After some time, she became friends with the 7 dwarfs. Look, everyone, These are the 7 dwarfs. She cooked food and danced with them also. But one day the Queen Witch found out that the Princess Snow White is still alive. Then she turned off an old lady. उसने अपने को मैजिक से एक ओल्ड लेडी में चेंज कर लिया. And went to the forest. When Witch knocked the door and Snow White opened the door, she saw an old lady. Was the witch in disguise. स्नो वाइट ने समझा ये ओल्ड लेडी है. वो ये नहीं समझी कि ये वही विच जो कि उसकी स्टेप मदर है जो डिस्गाइज करके आई है. अंडरस्टूड. द विच सेड, ब्यूटीफुल चाइल्ड, टेक दिस डिलीशियस एप्पल. I am sure that you haven't tried anything like this before. As she bite the apple, without knowing the witch has poisoned apple. Aiza, are you enjoying the story? Very good. I hope you all are enjoying. Okay. Just imagine it. She fell on the floor after taking the bite and never woke up. The little dwarfs got very sad. After some time, a prince came in the forest where Snow White lay down dead. As he saw the Snow White, he got surprised how beautiful she is. As he touched the Snow White, the poison's effect gone from her body. She became alive. After that, Prince got married with her. They enjoy their life happily. I hope all of you enjoyed this story. Okay, now let us move our activity. Everyone ready? Okay. So students, do the activity in the book. If you don't have the book, then do it in the copy. Okay, look at this picture. You have to do one thing. Already given here your options. You have to circle the wrong word and fill here right word. Very easy. Okay. Then Cinderella had 3 or 2 stepsister. You find out here. Given already. Okay. Find out here 2. Circle the wrong word 3 and tick the right word. Cinderella had 2 stepsister. Okay. Then come to next. Snow White ate. All of you know, I have told you earlier. Okay. Snow White ate banana or apple. Firstly, you do circle on the wrong word. Banana is wrong. And apple, Snow White ate apple. You tick out and write it here. Apple. Okay. Yes. And 2 here also. Okay. Now third one. Rapunzel was locked in a hut or a tower. Tell me, Satyam. First, you have to do the circle of the wrong word, circle on the wrong word, and take the correct answer. Okay. Hut is wrong word. Then, what remain? Tower. Rapunzel was locked in a tower. Good. You have to write here tower. Okay, you write down here. Okay, next. Come on the next. Now, same thing you do. Hansel and Gretel got lost in a island. or a forest. Circle on the wrong word. Island is a wrong word, I'm telling you. Okay, forest is right word. So write it here, fill here forest. Forest. Okay. Then the fox jumped to get grapes or mangoes. Yes, exactly. Grapes. Then mangoes. Wrong word. So do it, Sargil. Okay. Grapes is right. Grapes. Then last. Red Riding Hood met a fox or a wolf? Good. Wolf. Wolf is right. You do circle here? Okay. Then right here wolf. Good. So I hope everyone enjoy this chapter and do this activity in the book. If you don't have the book, then do it in the copy. Okay? Thank you, class.